Hey folks, welcome to Cooking for Clearview, creating meals that control cancer. That's right, my name is Curtis Eakins. I'm a medical herbalist and a naturopath, former employee at the Huntsville Hospital, 2 years in digestion and the last 7 years as neurosurgery, that's brain and spinal cord. Honey, what about yourself?
And I am Paula Eakins, and we're so glad to be with you. I'm a nutritionist, also a food stylist, food demonstrator. I'm also a cancer survivor.
Woo, 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 woo. I think you're gonna make it, baby. I think you're gonna pull through. Yes, all right. A little bit about ourselves. We do cooking class and cooking shows throughout the nation, Canada and Caribbean for the last 29 years. We also host a program called Abundant Living. It's a lifestyle cooking show aired on Three Angels Broadcasting Network for over 24 years. But now we're cooking for Clearview. Woo, woo, woo. This is a mini series on meal planning. That's right, meal planning. Honey, let's talk about that. Let's kind of tease the people just a little bit.
You have got to watch the series because we're going to start off with a breakfast menu. Then we're going to go to a lunch menu.
Have mercy.
And
okay.
We're going to end with a knockdown, drag out.
Knockdown, drag out. That means good.
Yeah.
Okay, for interpretation.
You're going to want to get all your stuff together. So you want to stay by for these programs.
I can't wait, baby.